6 reasons why someone gets dark circles and top 5 simple steps to avoid dark circles to an extent. Let's see them. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. When wedding is around the corner, skincare becomes top priority for all the brides, isn't it? In my experience, I have seen a lot of brides who have dark circles around their eyes. In this video, we are going to talk about top 6 reasons why someone gets dark circles and top 5 simple steps to avoid dark circles to an extent. Let's see them. In makeup, dark circles can be covered with 2 to 3 layers of correctors, concealers, foundation and compact. The skin around the eyes are a lot more sensitive compared to the other part of the skin, isn't it? Now, there are chances that a lot of products are used under the eyes can also cause creases and you may not have a flawless makeup throughout your event. I'm sure many of the brides would have experienced the same. So here are 5 simple things that you can take care of about 3 to 6 months before your wedding and see a drastic change around the eyes. Why we get dark circles. There are top 6 reasons why one gets dark circles or the darkness around the eyes. Let's see them. The first one is definitely lack of sleep. Irregular sleep, irregular timings of your sleep, undisturbed sleep, all these causes dark circles. The second reason is definitely stress. When you're into a lot of stress, it definitely shows up on your skin with the fine lines. The appearance of fine lines comes when you're very stressed. The third one is definitely poor nutrition level. Maybe not having the right food at the right time. The fourth reason is definitely the deficiency of vitamin B12, K, E and D are very much associated with the darkness around the eyes. The fifth reason is not hydrating enough. That means you're not drinking enough water. The sixth reason is definitely not having a good blood circulation. So you need to improve the blood circulation around the eyes. Now understand how is your lifestyle and what are the reasons that could lead to this dark circles, and let's see 5 simple steps on how to reduce dark circles. The first simple step that you have to take is sleep. Have undisturbed 7 to 8 hours of sleep every single day. The second step that you can follow is keep yourself hydrated. At least 2 to 3 liters of water, just plain water, will help you to overcome dullness and dryness of the skin. You can also try tender coconut water. The third simple step is to go for a vegetable drink. The best vegetable for glowing skin is carrot, beetroot and cucumber. This has very rich vitamins in them and it will help you to enhance your skin texture, the complexion, and also reduces dark circles to an extent. The fourth step is to go for an eye mask. Let me show you how to prepare the eye mask.
Let us see the things that we need to create the eye mask at home. The first thing is the container to store the product. It can be glass or plastic. Just make sure that the container is not too deep, just to make sure that it is easy to take the last cotton pad as well. The next product is rose water. Rose water has the benefit of giving enough moisturizer to your skin and tightens the skin as well. And then we are using vitamin E oil. Here I'm using 2 capsules. This also helps to heal the skin faster. All these products are very easily available in any medical or drug store. And rose water, you can take any brand. Dabur is a good brand to use. And then we are using cotton pads. Keep it round in shape. You do get in different shapes. Here I'm using about 10 cotton pads as I'm making this eye mask for next 5 days. The next product is coconut oil. Any brand of coconut oil is okay. Just make sure that it is not flavored. Use just a plain coconut oil, as the coconut oil suits for every skin type. Okay, 1 teaspoon is enough. We are using it just to give a moisture around the eyes. So all I'm doing here is mixing coconut oil, vitamin E oil and rose water in the container and mixing it thoroughly. Keep this mask on your eyes for 15 minutes. It can be during the day or night or even in the afternoon. But make sure, if you have dark circles, then every day using this eye mask will help you to get greater results faster.
You can store this up to 5 days without a refrigerator. Once you prepare it, you are sorted for next 5 days. All you need to do is just take these cotton pads and just keep it around the eyes. Do not cut them into half. It's very important that you get the enough moisturizer around the eyes completely. The fifth and the final step is to give massage around the eyes that helps to improve the blood circulation. Just take 2 minutes of your time and you are sorted. You can definitely see the results in, I think, 3 weeks or so. But make sure that you do and take care of your skin.
So for this massage, I'm using walnut oil from Tyler. It's 100% natural wood press oil. Any oil is fine. This oil we use for massage to get a free flow for our hands when we massage on our skin. I'm using index finger, and to start with, go for the small circle motions from the corner of the nose till the corner of your eyes. This will open up the skin and also reduce the darkness in the corner of the eyes. If some of them wearing specs, they do have the darkness around the corners, that will also start reducing through the blood flow. Okay, always it has to be upward motion. The next step is just hold the tip of the nose from one finger and then start opening up the skin around the eyes or on the top of the eyes or below the eyebrow, just like you can see on the screen. But make sure that you're giving a very smooth massage, not giving a very hard strokes. It has to be very smooth, and make sure that you enjoy, relax your shoulders when you do this massage. You can do up to 8 to 10 strokes. And the next technique is to just press the eyebrow. Again, this shouldn't be too hard. You use this to relax your eye muscles, and also it'll help you to reduce your stress level. Then give a small circular motion towards the end or the outer V corners of the eyes. This will reduce the crow feet or the wrinkle lines that appears, or you can also say smile lines. We call it as a crow feet. You can do circular motion to the entire eyes. Make sure that these circular motions are lifted. It should lift the skin. So you have to do opposite to the gravitational force. Again, 10 circular motions are enough. As you can see, just follow the video and it just takes 2 minutes to do this massage. You can do it in the morning or in the evening, just before the shower, but make sure you do this every single day. Give a good press from your palm. Press 2 to 3 times and then open your eyes slowly. Enjoy your massage every single day, and once you finish this, wipe the excess oil from tissue. Thank you.
I hope this video is very helpful, and do follow them. Stay beautiful and love yourself. See you in my next video. Bye.